Welcome to another video walk around. Today we're going to be taking a look at this 2013 Toyota Highlander in this gorgeous burgundy color. This four-wheel drive 7-passenger SUV has plenty of cargo space and passenger space for any and all your needs. It's time to take a look inside this 2013 Highlander. Simply walk up, hit the unlock button, and you're in. First thing you'll notice is this gorgeous leather interior. You'll also be greeted with the heated seat option as well as your power seat, including adjustable lumbar support for the driver's side. On the door panel here, you'll find the controls for the power windows as well as the power locks. It's time to take a look at some of the notable interior features in this 2013 Highlander. On the left side of the steering wheel, you'll find the controls for the power mirrors as well as the traction control button and the button to control the power liftgate. On the steering wheel here, on the left side, you'll find the audio controls as well as the controls for the Bluetooth hands-free calling. On the right side, you'll find the button to cycle through your display here. This also acts as your backup camera. Just below that, you'll find the controls for the audio. This is your AM/FM standard audio system. And just below that, you'll find the climate controls. In addition, you'll also find in the center console here the downhill assist as well as the snow mode. Moving into the rear of the vehicle, you'll also find that the leather interior continues throughout. These seats also fold down for additional storage should you need it. You'll also find the rear climate controls. If you look back here, you'll see the cargo area as well as that's where the 6th and 7th seats are. Let's go take a look back there. See the rear of the vehicle. This vehicle also comes installed with a hitch, ready to go. So let's open it up here. You'll see this is a generous cargo area for tons of space for anything and everything that you might have. To fold up these additional seats, simply pull this cord here and flip up the headrest. Put it back down. Simply pull this. This will snap down, and you can fold it down. Looking back at our power liftgate, if you press this button here, the liftgate will close. That concludes the short video walk around of this 2013 Highlander, but there's tons I didn't get to show you, so make sure you stop by Kelowna Toyota at 1200 Leathead Road or visit us at KelownaToyota.com for more information. We look forward to seeing you soon.